The Lennard-Jones potential is a pretty good approximation of the potential energy between molecules and models molecular interactions fairly well. However, there are two approximate functions, square well and the hard sphere function, which are often used to model interactions. What is the point of having several approximate potential energy functions, and when do I use which one? The three approximate potential energy functions that are most often used are shown here. The Lennard-Jones potential we've already talked about, the square well potential, and the hard sphere potential. Although the Lennard-Jones potential is the best approximation, and it models attractive and repulsive interactions well, showing the gradual decrease and increase in the energy, it is a complicated function, and it is hard to integrate and often hard to incorporate into models. The next best approximation is the square well potential. You can see that it models attractive interactions with an attractive well and repulsive interactions with a repulsive wall in much the same way that the Lennard-Jones potential has an attractive well and a repulsive wall. However, it doesn't give as accurate results because of the discontinuities in the function. But this simplified form of the function is much more easily integrated and more easily incorporated into models. So if the property of the system which you are modeling does not depend on the fine details of the potential, the square well potential may very well be a good choice for your model for the interactions. The most approximate potential energy function is the hard sphere function. You can see that this one only models repulsions because there is no attractive well in this potential. Its inaccuracy in terms of being able to model attractive interactions is made up for by its very simple form, which makes it very easy to use and incorporate in models. However, if you're trying to model a system where attractive interactions are important, the hard sphere model will not be a good choice. An example of a system which might be appropriately modeled using hard sphere potential would be a gas where the attractive interactions are negligible.